In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play Games sign-in problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Play Games, tap on Google Play Games. Up to date your Google Play Games app if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Play Games. Tap on Google Play Games. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now search for Play Service. Tap on Google Play Service. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Now open Google Play Games app. Now tap on Continue. Now I hope that this method fix Play Games sign in problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.